The Purpose Driven Life by Rick Warren. This book is based on biblical model of taking 40 days to develop new mindset by Rick Warren. Without God, life makes no sense. God is not haphazard. He planned it all with great precision. The man without a purpose is like a ship without a rudder, a nothing, a no man. What relief for those who have confessed their sins and God has cleared their record. The greatest tragedy is not death, but life without purpose. Those with a deep sense of life purpose answered yes and were the one most likely to survive. Hope comes from having a purpose. God did not give you your abilities for selfish purposes. They were given to benefit others, just as others were given abilities for your benefit. Great opportunities may come once in a lifetime, but small opportunities surround us every day. Busyness is a great enemy of relationships. We become preoccupied with making a living, doing our work, paying bills, and accomplishing goals as if these tasks are the point of life. They are not. The point of life is learning to love God and people. Life minus love equals zero. Love is not a good part of your life. It is the most important part. Let love be your greatest aim. When life on earth is ending, people don't surround themselves with objects. What we found around us is people we love and have relationships with. Let's agree to use all our energy in getting along with each other. Help others with encouraging words. Don't drag them down by finding fault. Nothing shapes your life more than the commitment you choose to make. Your commitments can develop you or they can destroy you, but either way they will define you. Tell me what you are committed to, and I will tell you what you will be in 20 years. We become what we are committed to. Be careful how you think. Your life is shaped by your thoughts. You are better off to have a friend than to be all alone. If you fall, your friend can help you up. But if you fail without having a friend nearby, you are really in trouble. Confess your sins to each other and pray for each other so that you may be healed. You are put on earth to make a contribution. Many studies have revealed that the average person possesses from 500 to 700 different skills and abilities, far more than you realize. No servant can serve two masters. You cannot serve both God and money. Only secure people can serve. Insecure people are always worrying about how they appear to others. The only really happy people are those who have learned how to serve. What will be the center of my life? This is the question of worship. Who are you going to live for? What are you going to build your life around? You can center your life around your career, your family, a sport or hobby, money, having fun, or many other activities. The main message of the book is center your life in God.